Chez Satoshi for the love of crypto and coffee. On today's episode, I'm going to introduce you a cool DAPP over the Binance Smart Chain that's called PancakeBunny. DeFi means decentralized finance, and PancakeBunny it's something funny or interesting to do yield farming and to be able to generate passive income. Just to participate in DeFi with low fee and almost instant transactions validated over the Binance Smart Chain blockchain. So in the meantime, just before keep going with this beautiful episode of PancakeBunny, I want you to take a couple of action for this great channel. First one is subscribe right now, my friend. Right now, subscribe. Smash the like button with powerful energy. Psh, 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 psh. Leave a nice comment about yield farming or PancakeBunny DAPP or any DeFi project you want me to cover on this channel. As well, press the bell notification, bing, 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 to get notified every single day from Monday to Sunday with great content of value. And another thing, spread the love about this great channel at your workplace and the street at school for great content of value every single day. So let's go back to PancakeBunny. What is PancakeBunny? I just need to take some coffee. So what is cool about Bunny with beautiful graphic? I love the logo with two eyes. Woo! Yield farming, powerful energy. I'm just teasing you. Compound yield with Bunny. I'm just going to read that part here. Our Bunny team is dedicated to support the underlying DeFi ecosystem by providing users with an easy way to automatically compound the yields through the Binance Smart Chain. The DeFi movement, and more specifically yield aggregators, have seen a huge surge in activity in 2020. The rise of Yearn, which use existing protocols such as Compound, DYDX, and Curve, has influenced the development of various yields aggregator projects on the Ethereum network. Our goal is to expand that same interest through the Binance Smart ecosystem. So it's pretty obvious what they want to accomplish. So as you can see, they have yield organization optimization strategy with PancakeBunny Finance. I'm just going to read the first introduction so you will have a sense of what they want to accomplish. I invite you to read all the other guide out there because I don't want to bore you just to read a lot of stuff. So I just want to read that part and show you the potential of yields you can earn with PancakeBunny DAPP over the Binance Smart Chain. A key difference in yield farming on Binance Smart Chain is the low gas fee. This is really true. But now you have Polygon that offer the same kind of experience right now. This makes it such easier to small players and ordinary individuals to enter the DeFi space and still get good share of the crop with small amount of capital. And this is really interesting. So everyone can participate and generate some yield farming. Through automation, Bunny allows individuals to reap the benefit of compounding without any additional step. Bunny calculates the most optimal compounding frequency and automatically compound your token through smart contract. You don't need to reinvest automatically. The protocol, the aggregator do the job for you with this beautiful PancakeBunny DAPP over the Binance Smart Chain. So let's go jump to the core of the yields interest the yields you can generate using this beautiful protocol. I am on the Bunny, the number one yield optimizer. I just need to take some coffee before moving on. They use three beautiful colors to attract the visual appealing just to go and see the main page. As you can see, the page is $13. They use blue, pink, and black, and some white directly into the development of the interface of the DAPP. You can just connect to the wallet. The purpose of that is not to tell you how to connect, but it's just to show you to present you the PancakeBunny DAPP, what it can offer for you, this beautiful yield optimizer. So the P-Bunny, they have over 15 million just deposited, so you can earn BNB Bunny plus cake. So you can lock for 53 days, and you can yield farming these 3 beautiful token. You just deposit the B-Bunny token over this pool. They have 27 active pool. So the Bunny maximizer, you just auto component. So you get you just deposit your Bunny and get 231.36% yields, and they are auto component. I'm just going to click on it. So the IPY is 231%. It's insane. I don't believe that's going to stay like this forever, but it's pretty cool to see that you just buy the Bunny token on the market, like this one here. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just providing this information as educational purpose. You deposit onto the Bunny here, and then you can farm more Bunny on the long run. You just need to be patient, and the token is coming in your way. They have a pool with the Bunny BNB, 193%. It's quite decent. The Bunny is the same as here, the one here, the same IPY. The cake token, you generate 160.37%. So if you deposit, you deposit cake, and you get cake and plus Bunny. This is pretty outstanding. They have the cake BNB, BTC, C, BNB, 80%. More stable coin, that's the representation of Bitcoin over the Binance Smart Chain. So with BNB token, they offer 23%. It's quite decent. ETH BNB 22%, ETH BNB 27%, DOT BNB 38%, BUSDT and BNB 50%. Pretty cool. USDC BNB 52%, BUSD and BNB 57%. USDC 2 stable coins 7%. It's not the best amount, but it's quite decent just with 2 stable coin to generate yields with 7%. USDC BUSD flip 9.32%. VIE BUSD 12%. It's decent, quite good. I think VIE is a stable coin as well. I'm not quite sure, but I think I saw it's a stable coin. So 2 stable coins 60% is quite good, but I'm not sure if it's a stable coin. DIE with BUSD 9%. This is low risk, but you generate 10% of your income. The one shot, you deposit your BNB 5.68, ETH 2.4%, BTCP 1.43%, USDT 3.84%, and BUSD 3.69%. But what is happening is the 231%. So you can earn cake plus Bunny. I'm not quite sure the amount this gave you, but this is quite good. You deposit, and the profit, it said the Bunny rewards show are estimated and will only be realized on claim or exit. Okay, so you need to claim, so you can farm the Bunny token here. So you get if you already have some cake on PancakeBunny, so you can deposit your cake here and generate and just start to collect the Bunny token. This is quite cool. So let's go jump to the next section. So you can need to take some coffee a little bit. So the ZAPP help token conversion. So back and forth, you can swap directly on Bunny on PancakeBunny. So you can swap token for one funder, so like Scape for BTCB and on and on. So this is pretty straightforward, obvious. So you swap your token in one operation. So this is pretty straightforward to understand. And let's go jump to the last section of this beautiful vlog about, or not vlog, but episode of PancakeBunny. So no loss jackpot for bunny lovers. The bunny pot collects the total yields profit accrued over a set of period of time based on the total stake and distribute this profit to one of the poll participants. This is pretty cool. Bunny Premium 7. I'm going to close this beautiful ads here. So you have a chance to, like a lottery ticket. I'm going to click view more. Countdown open ticket. So you buy a countdown to pot open. So price line. So you have a chance to what is the post status? So you have a chance to like the lottery, to win a big amount of money, like a jackpot, like you want when you buy a scratch, and then you scratch and you say, oh, I want $20 or $20,000 or whatever, but you have the chance on PancakeBunny to earn the lottery, but you need to be lucky. So if you have to spend, I think you need to spend on, I'm not quite sure how these things work, but the cake jackpot is 9,200 cut down pot. So it's saying the many pot collect the total yields profit accrue over the set period of time based on total stake, and distribute this profit to one of the poll participants. So you need to participate to be able to receive the reward, or to have a chance to receive the reward. So in the meantime, I hope you really enjoyed to discover the PancakeBunny. Let me know if you enjoy this kind of content. Smash the like button with powerful energy. Subscribe to this wonderful channel, Crypto and Coffee, right now. Leave a nice comment below about PancakeBunny, or you want me to cover other DeFi project on the Pancake Smart Chain or Binance Smart Chain. Go for it. Leave a nice comment below. As well as spread the love about this great channel at your workplace and stress go, and press the bell notification, bing 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 bing, to get notified every single day from Monday through Sunday, every day, my friend, with great content of value. As well, you can come visit my outstanding website, satoshi.com. You can as well subscribe to my newsletters and podcast. Thank you so much, and have a great day ahead. Enjoy your day with your family, friend, and keep your energy high. And see you tomorrow for another great vlog or episode about crypto. See you tomorrow, and have a great day ahead, my friend. Ciao, ciao.